Grade 7, Quarter 4, Form A, from Booked by Kwame Alexander. Playing soccer is like never hitting pause on your favorite 90-minute movie. But futsal is like forward for 40 supercharged minutes. Game on zips by like a pronghorn antelope, fast and furious. And just when we wind the corner to a record 13-goal shutout, our goalie goes down with a, get this, broken pinky toe. Game 2 is tied with 29 seconds left. Kobe passes the ball to you. Their best player attacks, steals the ball, passes it down the court to an open man who shoots it just left of our sub-goalie, who normally plays midfielder. Buzzer beater. Coach says we must win our final game to advance to the next round of the tournament. We say, no problem. When our opponents run out on the hardwood with their ponytails and matching pink shirts and socks, carrying gym bags, probably filled with glittered smartphones, we say, no problem. Problemo. The girls let down their ponytails, high-five their coach, then walk over to shake our sweaty palms after beating us 5-3.